Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I want to show you the process and then the failure of that process of inviting people to connect on LinkedIn using an email address. On my screen, which is high res, large screen, the invite to connect via email is on the bottom left hand corner. You can't even get to it until you shrink the screen down. I shrunk my screen down, and then you can see the more options, and that's where I'm going to go now. When I click on more options, it brings me up to this page. I'm immediately going to go click on the envelope and go to send an email. So on this screen, I'm going to put in the email address of the person I want to send the invite to via email, select one of the 5 bland messages, and hit continue. So this is the message I got from LinkedIn for this email invitation to connect on LinkedIn. Now, one of my big problems with this message is it doesn't give me the opportunity to not accept. It only gives me the opportunity to accept or delete. And the problem with that is if I don't do something with this, 6 days later and then another 6 days later, I'm going to get repeat messages saying, Teddy, Mr. is still waiting for you to accept his invite. If I'm logged out of LinkedIn, I'm going to go ahead and test this by hitting accept Mr.'s invitation. Clicking on the link brings me to a LinkedIn page, and it knows I have an account, so it wants me to sign in and then add Mr. to my existing network. Again, no opportunity to decline the invitation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on signing in here and see where it takes me to next. So this brings me to a login screen, again indicating that wants me to go ahead and accept the invite, no option to not accept the invite. So once I logged into LinkedIn, it goes straight to this page, and I think that it has completely failed accepting that invitation, but I am wrong. Despite the error message and not giving me an opportunity to ignore or delete or cancel or respond to the invitation, then I've been already connected to that person. Again, even though I had an error message and I was never given an opportunity to decline the invite, LinkedIn put the message from Mr. NC Wiseman in my inbox. Wouldn't it have been great if they would have put the invitation and the message instead and let me process it as normal? I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I'd like to see this process get improved.